Classic Kailu get down is right frisking no.
Okay.
Classic mega freaking Kailu GOES Suhatim midis.
Don't tell me those two are gonna get married.
First of all, Tiretuya og to get married and you is an accept stop getting us in trouble because you are harassing the 2 days. Punishment day.
Punishment day. No, please, anything but punishment day. I promise I won't do that again.
So heal up you Balkri, baby. You should an apostrophe to talk about that before you believe the because it's on apostrophe to more subscribers 10 stand was checking your computer and you come to that YouTube channel will be trash thanks to you. See han subscribers and open up the thing to trash because of you because you put that dirty comment and you has the so come up with so you apostrophe learn to be respectful, disrespectful bastard. First punishment is stening to week aventur on max volume. Punishment getting slapped.
Ouch, what was that for you? Crazy Arabic psychopath.
Line Classic Kailu you ain't more punishment so your full punishment is being LFT in a room with M3 gun.
M3 gan. She a crazy robot doll, please, anything but her.
Suit up, you should an apostrophe to talk about that before you insulted me because of how you speak and my civilization to respect your elders. No matter how long or how it sound.
Classic Kailu, why are you here?
Because my dad's a crazy person, he made me come here.
Classic Kailu, Boris told me that you've been grounded for harassing people and they were young. How dare you lie to me now? You know the consequences of lying and you'll learn it right now.
Ouch, what is wrong with you? Crazy psychopath.
Classic Kailu, how dare you call me a psychopath? That's it. You get more extreme punishments and I'm telling Boris what you just called me.
No, please, I'm begging you.
Too late, Classic Kailu, you crossed the line.
Classic Kailu har en disrespekt til 3 gange face til I godt er mega ekstreme punishment for you. For your ekstreme punishment du sænger til logik 2 take away all your crap.
No, please, anything but that.
You need to hush up since you crossed to Line with the last word so have you totally get so hood up and fast it.
No, why did you do that, you monster?
Because troublemakers lægge you don apostrophe til det serve idéer team will give stuff inspiration to be rude and disrespectful towards everybody unfair uncle so for your last punishment putting a mutoga in you and you are going to go out to the house and say sorry and if you will say you were about him, you will shock it completely.
Okay.
Wow, Alexis, I didn't even know we can pull this off even though people don't like and subscribe. That doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah, I know, I am going to be happier than ever. I wonder who's at the door. Classic Caillou, what are you doing here? You are supposed to be grounded. It's even worse than being grounded. I got a punishment day. I'm here to apologize for real. Really, because the last time you did, you called us lazy slobs and told us to get a life, and that YouTube channel is very ridiculous. Listen, I am sorry for all of that. Can you please forgive me? I won't do it again. No! You double-crossed me, and I also heard the rumor that if you forgive Classic Caillou, he just gets forgiveness and doesn't forget what he was sorry for, and that he's a troublemaker that likes to think he can get away with stuff.
Classic Caillou i overgående undsiget til Galaxy må vi get realiseret en GOES to have fast never gonna happen because nobody lægges and subscribe to til channel and doble lægge and subscribe eller to til channel så læse til Galaxy må vi trailer and if nobody ever lægges and subscribe til nu regående for undsiget til arrangere Galaxy må vi get realiseret. No go on Galaxy universe, YouTube channel, and type your channels til bedste øvrigt vi lægger an subscribe 100 times if tidon apostrof tt nu regler under 2027.
Okay.
Idioton apostrof t regne over jure staving jure næver gonna at og slæb og play video games on tidlig sige 2 sekunder som næver renew video til mig.